Hey guys, Thunder E here, and we're taking a look at the brand new iPhone 16. Look at all those colors. Definitely liking that pink right there. Also the blue, but let's go ahead and check it out, get a closer. We have the pink iPhone 16 here, and I love this color. Also the teal is pretty cool as well. Now at the back here we have the new 48 megapixel fusion lens, which is pretty nice. The ultra wide is a 12 megapixel. But honestly, it feels really comfortable. Now, this of course is the same camera as the iPhone 16 and the 16 Plus. Now that display is nice and bright here. Max nit brightness of 2000 nits. Now, let's look at the buttons in the sides here directly on the device. We've got, of course, our volume rocker. We've got the action button, which we know quite well. But on the other side, it's the camera control. And of course, the power button. Now, this is the new button that everyone's been talking about. It's touch sensitive, it's got some really great features on there. So when we actually press and hold, it takes us right into the camera, which is pretty cool. And if you just tap and hold, you can actually switch between different settings here, like your amber, your gold, all your different color settings. And if you actually double tap twice, we change from styles. And then we can go into our cameras, our zoom, the depth, all those features. And also long press, you start recording. So this is pretty awesome and adds a nice layered element. It's just not a singular button. It's multifunctional. Now I'd love to see if I could actually use this for gaming in some aspect, because I think that would actually work pretty well. But overall, this has the A18 processor here. Apple's also added a bigger battery. They've also added a better cooling with this device. So tell me, what do you think about the iPhone 16? Do you like the look? Do you like it pink? Do you like it in teal? Do you like the standard colors? I'm really digging this. I think this is spot on.